Hey, so it stopped raining, so we're going to give this a try here. I am at Lake Travis Lakeway Park. Looks like I got a
hookup.
I wonder what that is. Look at that big old bass. Look at that big old bass, people. It's a windy day, so I decided the only lure that I could fish would be a crankbait, square bill. And there he is. Look at that fish. The dogs are out of the water, people are out of the water, the boats are out of the water, and it's just you and the fish. So if you like fishing, now's the time. Look at that fish. Got him right there, people. Look at that. Look at that. That's a good looking bass right there. That is one nice fish. Look at that. So here's the fish I just got. It's a good 2-pounder. Look at that fish. That's the kind of fish you catch on this kind of day, folks. I'm gonna put him back in. Thanks for the fight, big fella. There he goes, folks. There he goes. Just wanted to show you the lure that I caught him with. It's called Brat, B-R-A-T, and I like the Shiner Special here. And after that fight, I'm gonna go ahead and go home. Y'all have a good night. Keep on fishing tight lines.